You are going to love the 2015 K900. The Kia K900 provides everything you could ask for in a luxury sedan. High-quality interior craftsmanship is met with a muscular but elegant exterior styling. The K900 also offers the latest in technology integration and a long list of upscale features and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, one owner. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.